Welcome. In this quick walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to connect your Walmart seller account to Quixess so you can sell more with less stress. Once you're inside Quixess, head over to Sales Channels. You'll see all the marketplaces you can integrate. Choose Walmart and click Integrate. You'll see two fields, Alias and Marketplace ID. The alias is optional, but it's super helpful if you manage more than one Walmart store. For example, Walmart US Main Store. Then choose your Marketplace ID like Walmart US or Walmart Canada. Click Validate Connection. A new tab will pop up with Walmart's authorization screen. Approve the connection and you'll land right back in your Quixess dashboard. That's it. Your Walmart account is now connected. Next, open the settings icon. This is where you set up your fees. You'll see two choices. Fixed percentage, which is a flat rate. Walmart usually charges about 15%, but you can set your own number. And Marketplace recommended. This option lets Quixess automatically pull the fee for each product category. If Walmart doesn't return a value, you can enter a fallback, like 16%. Quixess will use that when needed. You can also add extra costs like ads or software tools. This helps calculate your real profit. Then we have the repricer. One of the most popular options is Match Buy Box. Quixess will adjust your price to stay competitive while protecting your margins. When everything looks good, click Save. Your Walmart integration is complete, and you're ready to automate your workflow and sell more with less stress.